In front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. And by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again and hit privacy section. Now tap on permission manager at the top and pick any feature that you wish to manage, like microphone. Then tap on one of your apps under one of those categories: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with Amazon Shopping from not allowed one. Then apply the best option for you over here. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Amazon's Shopping just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature just to locate an app that you wish to manage. I will go into contacts to manage my booking. Then, instead of tapping on any of those options, select all permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!